All right, dropping stroller coaster.
Oh, those guys are rolling.
All right, here we go. Nice green warm-up trail. Nice and flowy, nothing too wild. Flowy burn, switchback. There we go. Get a little bit of speed out of that corner. Why not? Help carry you down this. Little pop here. Whee! Nose manny. Gonna get a little bit of a slide over this one. Yeah. All right. Don't find anything too crazy on this trail. Nice green warm up. Or for anyone just looking for a nice casual ride through the woods. Watch out for the truck when you cross. Give them a wave if you go by. Get into a little bit of chunk here. Nothing too wild. There we go. I'm gonna do a pretty tight right-hander. I can carry around that. A little bit of pop right there. Flick it, flick it. Go back and forth. Alright, carry around this berm. Here we go. Woo! Little flat turn. Get a little loose, so watch out. A little bit of climb. Again, watch for the truck. Alright, we're back in it. Probably the longest trail here. Woo, there it is. It's a little warm today. It only feels good when you're moving. Trying to more switchbacky berms. A little sweepier than the last one. Alright. A little popper into the bridge if you're feeling a little spicy with it. Alright, almost to the bottom. Here we go. Final stretch. Right over the bridge. Trucks are in sight. Final turns come through here. Rail that left. That was right. And we're back. Nice casual run down stroller coaster. Time to get back in line.